This is the 15-inch disc sander with a floor stand, 15 inches in diameter, with a half horsepower motor, 220 volts, 3-phase, 60 cycle. And this is just an on-off switch. It's very simple. So as you can see now, it is running. There is a crack that I had not noticed before, but I'm letting you know before it ships out, so you tell me if you can live with it or not, okay? And this is a support for the table. You can see that, that table can swivel down, and that is support for it and can be moved. Just another angle I'm giving you of this.